I start this off by whisking up 2 large eggs in a bowl and season with some salt and pepper. And add in a chopped tomato, half a chopped onion, and a green chilli. The chilli, as always, is optional depending on your taste. Now you can make an omelette or a scrambled egg from this. I'm going to stick to making a scrambled egg because it's easier to put into a wrap. You can use tortilla, pita bread, or even just normal bread to wrap. Once you've wrapped up your tortilla, you can go ahead and grill the wrap to brown the outsides or fry it even. So I used a George Foreman grill